welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. My name is Annie. So maybe you are going away on a summer holiday, a nice sunny and warm destination, or maybe you are looking for some inspiration of how to put some outfit together for summer. If so, you are at the right place. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope my video today will give you some ideas and inspire you to step out looking fabulous. So let me show you my first outfit of choice for today. As usual, I wear a lot of white, especially tops, but still I love to incorporate bold prints and fabulous bright colors as well. Now, when it comes to accessories, I always go for gold. Lots and lots of gold. So let me show you my first outfit for today, which is going to be casual, yet chic, comfortable and elegant. Right, let's jump into it. This is my first outfit. Simple white tank top, wide-legged trousers, high-waisted, pockets, very comfortable and very light material. I love this fabric. It's very flowy. It's got a good movement in the fabric. And I've paired my outfit with very simple little gold necklace, hoop earrings, my gorgeous tortoise watch, of course with accents of gold. This one is Anne Klein, gold ring and bracelet. And I've also added this cute Michael Kors gold chain around my waist, and it's got a little tortoise detail as well on here. So very simple, and I've chosen these cute white slippers, and they're very padded and very comfortable. I can also throw something over this outfit if I choose to, and something like this will work. It's light and airy. Gorgeous flower details on here. I love the wide sleeves. You can tie it up if you want to or not, but I prefer to wear it open. And of course, to finish my look off, I've got my sunnies. Very simple. And last but not least, my beach bag. Outfit number 2, bold prints, but still very elegant. I have bought these trousers from Costco. They are linen, but I really love the fact that they also have pockets. It is fitted and elasticated at the back. I have paired these trousers with this tank top, ribbed with gorgeous little lace details. Those were from Primark. I've added a longer necklace and also these cute little earrings with the green stones as well. Simple gold rings, sorry, as well as some gorgeous gold bangles. And of course my gorgeous Anne Klein watch. So this is the look without a cover up, and if I choose to, I can throw this cute little cover up just to add another layer of interest, but still keeping cool. Gorgeous detail here. And these are the sunnies I'm going to pair my outfit with. A little bling on there, gorgeous shape. Brown leather bag. This one is from Dune, London. Short handle as well as a long shoulder strap to complement my brown leather wedges as well. And of course, to finish it off, a gorgeous but very classy and sweet smelling perfume, Amarige de Givenchy. Beautiful. Same look with different pair of trousers. These are also linen and also purchased from Costco. So it's very nicely fitted, pockets, high-waisted, elasticated back, as well as a little tie in the front with cute little silver details here. Flower prints, gorgeous light pastel colors. These wide leg trousers were from TK Maxx. Elasticated waist and a tie detail in the front. Very flowy, light and airy. I have paired these trousers with this top from Primark in a yellow color. I've added my beach bag with a gold chain strap, as well as some fun but cute sunnies with a touch of blue as well as the pink, just to bring my outfit together, complement the colors of my trousers. As well, I picked up this hat, sun hat from Primark. It was plain and simple, so I added this gorgeous detail on here, and this is a belt that I have, just to give it a little extra detail and make it look fabulous. So this outfit is for an evening out on the town, maybe a very elegant dinner where you still want to look chic but comfortable. This one piece is from Quiz Clothing UK in this gorgeous chocolate brown color with accents of gold on the shoulders. I have paired this gorgeous one piece with very simple studs in gold because I've chose a very busy and very bold statement piece around the neck. Gorgeous blue color. I feel it works very good, very well with this gorgeous chocolate brown here. I've added same kind of color from my clutch here, and also cute little simple strap heels in this beautiful blue as well. So it is now time to head to the beach, and this is my outfit. This one-piece swimsuit is from Primark, as well as the white leggings and of course the kaftan. I've paired my outfit with these very comfortable and very elegant sandals from Steve Madden with gold accessories on there as well. My bag, obviously from Primark, which I've added my gold strap to it. In my ears, I've added these gorgeous gold Coco de Mer studs from my last holiday in the Seychelles, as well as my Seychelles necklace in gold. To finish off my look, sunnies, and my sun hat, both from Primark. My last beach outfit for today, mostly white with this gorgeous one-piece swimsuit with tropical prints. This was from TK Maxx. This beautiful white kaftan was from Accessories, as well as the gold sandals. My beach bag, Primark, and just to finish off, my sunglasses and sun hat. Well then, you have made it to the end of my video. If you are still here watching, thank you so much. I do hope that you have obtained some ideas, and this will hopefully give you a little bit confidence to be bold, be extra, add colors, textures, jewelry, make yourself feel beautiful. Okay, so I will say goodbye for now, and please leave a comment, give my video a thumbs up, let me know what you are doing this summer, and hopefully, like myself and my husband, you'll be able to have some time off after a very busy year to go somewhere nice, somewhere different, experience a whole different world, and have some downtime. Also, before I go, I will leave you with the wise word from Coco Chanel, who says, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself." Okay? Be yourself and stay fabulous. Take care, and I will catch you some other time. Bye for now.